Teach your child how to not be a selfish communicator. A selfish communicator is a person whose need to talk during a conversation is bigger than their willingness to listen. Unselfish communicators do the opposite. That would be a person whose willingness to listen is bigger than their need to talk during a conversation. And that is what every parent should teach their child. As your child becomes a more unselfish communicator, they will ensure that the people around them feel heard. They will understand the power of using listen questions to enhance their listening ability. They will know that it is listening that creates connection and not talking. And all of this will make your child the most popular person in the room. Come to think of it, perhaps the title should not be Teach Your Child How to Not Be a Selfish Communicator, but rather demonstrate to your child how to not be a selfish communicator. That's all for today. Remember, in healthy relationships, it is all about connection. I once witnessed a very special moment between a 7-year-old boy and his father. This little boy was in tears in front of his school because he didn't want to go in that day. And his father knelt in front of him and lovingly asked him why. The little boy poured out his heart, and his father just listened and listened. His father asked a few more questions to encourage him to share more, and he continued to just listen. Gradually, the tears stopped running. The boy's father took him in his arms, held him close, and said to him, "I love you. This afternoon when I get home from work, we're going to play catch, just the two of us." The little boy hugged his father, turned around, and with a big smile on his face, he ran into the schoolyard. As parents, we often have, or I can almost say we always have, so much to say. And we forget about the power of listening. We forget about the power of asking listen questions to enhance our listening ability. We forget that it is listening that creates connection and not talking. That's all for today. Remember, in healthy relationships, it's all about connection. Our communication roadmap for parents is for you who want to invest in your parent-child communication because you value a strong connection between your child and yourself. In this video, I'd like to give an overview of all the digital resources available in this roadmap. First of all, begin with the 2 free digital resources titled Communicate to Connect Definitions and Communicate to Connect 7 Steps. It's the perfect introduction to this roadmap, as it gives most of the important definitions and steps to get you going. The next step would be the book titled The Ultimate Conversation Companion for Parents, Volume 1. This book will give you all of the detail that you need to advance further in this roadmap. And then thirdly, it is the book with the same title but Volume 2. Volume 2 contains more than 40 conversation guidelines that will enable you to have successful conversations with your child. It is basically the implementation of all of the information, all the knowledge and insight that you've gained thus far. Lastly, our very popular pack of conversation cards for families. More than 50 conversation cards containing complete conversations that a family can have, with a very exciting games option if you want to turn it into a game. This pack of cards is ideal as a replacement for the Volume 2 book, or otherwise if you want to alternate between the Volume 2 book and this pack of cards, which is actually our recommendation. As you enjoy this journey, just remember, in healthy relationships, it is all about connection.